Uploading mobile presets into Lightroom Mobile involves a few more steps than simply uploading XMP files into the desktop version. This video is going to focus on two different things. First, how are we actually going to get a DNG file into Lightroom Mobile? And second, how do you save that preset so you can use it on all of your pictures? If you don't have my presets or someone else's presets that you can use to follow along with this video, I do have a link down below where you can have access to a free preset. It'll get sent directly to your email and then you can use it to follow along with this video. It'll also send you an XMP file if you're interested in doing a desktop upload. Let's go ahead and get your presets onto your mobile device. So first things first, you need to actually import the mobile presets DNG files into Lightroom. Unfortunately, if you did buy presets that are XMP files and they don't have DNG files, you won't be able to use this method. Those are only going to work for a desktop. First thing that you need to do is you need to actually download the DNG files to a folder on your mobile device. This can be either Dropbox, iCloud, Google Drive, or it could just be on your camera roll. That's the way I do it, but any of those things will work just fine. Next up, you're going to need to open Lightroom Mobile. Click on the add photo icon down on the bottom of the screen. Depending on where you downloaded your preset to, the location of the actual preset is going to vary. So if you did download it to your camera roll and are having a hard time finding it, try navigating to the raw folder and that should be holding the raw files. They're going to look black until you upload them into Lightroom. If you downloaded it to a file, go ahead and click on the file section and then navigate to wherever you placed that. If the folder that you downloaded your presets to is not showing up, you need to make sure that you've given Lightroom access to that folder. Go ahead and select all the different pictures that you want to upload and import. Now that we've finished uploading the DNG files into Lightroom, we can now save the preset so that we're able to use that preset on other photos. So what you need to do is go to the All Photos folder and all of the files that you just imported should be located there. Go ahead and click on one of the files, go to the three dots in the top right corner, select Create Preset, and then we're going to name the preset. After you name the preset, make sure that you have all of these boxes selected, otherwise you may not be importing the full preset. The only thing that you might not need to worry about is masking. That's only applicable for people that have the paid version of Lightroom. If you want to upgrade your version of Lightroom, I do have a link down below. If you're happy with your current version, then you just don't need to worry about importing the masking section. You can now save everything and use this preset over and over again. You are going to need to repeat that process for all of the presets that you're uploading to make sure that they're all named and saved and put in the correct folder so you can use them later on. Now that your preset is saved into a folder on your Lightroom Mobile, you can navigate to the Lightroom library. You can select any photo that you want to use that preset on. Select presets down on the bottom part of the screen and make sure that you're on the Yours tab. This will help you find the folder that you just created and that you just saved your preset into. If you click on that folder, click on the preset, it'll automatically apply to the photo. And then the best part is that you can make adjustments. I love Lightroom presets because you can change any part of the preset, make sure that the colors match, you can make sure that the lighting is matching. If you're interested in how to better use presets on photos and making adjustments so that it fits your photo correctly, go ahead and watch this video over here. You can also watch this video if you're interested in how you upload XMP files. If this was helpful for you, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!